Hey guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is Ron again from wapinas.com and depende ulit sa oras na nanonood ka yung bate. Anyway, we have here the Samsung M20. We ordered this from Shopee the other day during the flash sale and we were able to get it for about 8,990 lang. The original price of the Samsung M20 is 10,990. Okay? So it comes in two colors, ocean blue and black. What I ordered is the blue. It's open already kasi when it got delivered yesterday, I asked Aaron, my son, to check if the box is ayos, okay? Kung may laman na. Okay? So here's what comes with the Samsung M20 box. Medyo weirded out lang ako na pagbukas mo ng ganun, yung nakagat. It doesn't have a top cover, I think. I'm not sure. And I'll ask my son later. Pero that's how it looks like, right? Kasi you see the tape, it's taped on the side. So that means most likely there's no top cover. So it comes with the usual cable. Okay, we'll find out later what kind of cable. I'll tell you. Headsets. Okay. The wall charger, which is 2 amperes. Okay. Sorry, malabo mata. The pin. Okay. Of course, the phone itself. I don't know what's inside this. So it just comes with the manual. Okay. Doesn't come with a silicone or plastic case, so you'll need to buy one for yourself. Okay. And let's hope that it's easy to find a case for the Samsung M20. Okay. So the phone itself is wrapped in plastic, the usual standard wrapping ngayon, which I usually don't like opening, pero looks like you can't slide it out, not like the others. So we need to open it talaga. Okay. So it's sticky. It's sticky. So you can't slide it out kasi sticky yung gilid niya. Okay, so close that again. Put that on the side. So here's the actual phone. The power button and the volume buttons are all on the right side of the phone. Let's see kung may power, may charge siya. Parang there looks like there's plastic here on the side. It looks like there's no. Okay, there. See? It says Samsung M20. Oh, by the way, I'm using the iPhone XS Max for this video. Not my phone, my friends. It's my wife's. I don't use iPhone. So, parang may plastic covering siya sa sides. We're not gonna remove it anymore. Okay? And then, the pinhole for the SIM tray is on the left side. So, we're gonna pop that out. It's still starting the Android. So, we can find out what. Hi there! Okay? So, it's using a triple SIM tray, which means you can put 2 nano SIMs and 1 micro SD card. Okay. Yeah. Baka masira ako. Okay. So Samsung, ayan. Ito yan. Okay. Let's start. It's searching card. I don't want to see that. No. Okay. So you need to agree. Okay. I don't. Okay. You need automatic wala pag check. You agree to everything. Anyway. Okay. No, I'm not gonna name it. No, thank you. Skip anyway. Okay. Accept. Standard Google. So, it's gonna ask you to download some apps. Okay. So, just say yes. I didn't connect it to the Wi-Fi, diba? So, sign into your Samsung account. Skip muna. I've never had a Samsung phone, so I don't have a Samsung account. Okay. Yes, skip muna, skip. Okay. Extend your battery life. Yes. Okay. So, all done. Okay. Okay. So, that's the phone yun. It's supposed to be a 6.3 inch. Okay. And it's supposed to have Infinity V display, whatever they call that. Okay. So if you compare it to the Poco phone, which I have in terms of size. Yan, halos magkasinlaki sila. Almost, mas malapad lang ng konti si Poco and mas matangkad ng konti si Samsung. Okay? Okay, I forgot to mention the headset jack is in the bottom and it looks like it's a Type C. Let's see if it's a Type C. And it's a Type C. Nice one, Samsung. That's good. So it has 63% right now. Okay, so let's check the settings. Okay. May biometric security, software update. Where's the one about the device memory? Okay. Nope. Storage. So right now 10 GB is used by the phone out of 32 GB. Okay? So you only have 22 GB left. So I suggest you need to put at least another 32 or 64 or 128 if you can find SD card. Okay? The camera, the Samsung M20 sports 3 cameras, one in the front. Okay, the front is an 8 megapixel front camera. Okay, no autofocus, no iOS. Okay, no flash. Okay, the rear camera, there's 2 cameras in the back. It sports a 30 megapixel and 5 megapixel lens. Okay, may flash din siya, as you can see. Video recording is 1920 by 1080 at 30 FPS frames per second. Okay, so yan, nakikita naman niyo kung paano siya mag-focus. Okay, so para balik na rin, yan, kita niyo yung ako. And there's the phone that I'm using. Okay, this phone also is LTE capable and has 3 GB RAM. Okay. So that's the quick unboxing for the Samsung M20. We'll try it out, test it out with a couple of games in the next couple of days once I'm able to buy a soft case or a case or whatever to protect the phone, because I'm not gonna keep this. I'm gonna be selling this again. So thanks guys for watching. That's the quick unboxing for the Samsung M20. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye!